Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add Trustpilot review to Shopify. It is going to be very easy, so just follow my steps. On the search bar or even you have to click on apps. So if I just click on apps, you can search here Farah, right? Sometimes you will get the results, sometimes you don't. So no worries, just once you type the Farah, just hit the enter, right? And basically I have already installed it, right? So if you have not installed it, then let me take you to the app store here, right? And let me just take it to here. And for example, this is a Shopify app store. If you're using Shopify, then you will know this. If you don't, so basically Shopify provides all the application which you can use to improve your store, right? And here you can just write Farah, right? And once you type Farah, you will get this here, Farah product review app, right? It's basically completely free and 14-day free trial, of course, and you have to click on install. Once you click on install, it will redirect to a new page and it will take a few seconds of time and it will bring you back here, right? So here, once the installation is done, right, just go to the review section, which you can see here in the left side. I get an option. I will just go to the review section. Once you go to the review section, you will get these two options: add review or add or import review. You can just click any one of them. So if I just click here, I will click on, you will get this three option, then click on import or sync, and here you will get this option of Trustpilot, right? So just click on it and here you can just import your Trustpilot reviews, right? So first of all, you have to enter your profile URL here, right? And it is not connected here, so first of all you have to connect your Trustpilot. So let's click on Trustpilot here. It is not getting connected because you have to enter your profile URL there, right? And once you connect it, it will automatically get connected, and then you will able to import all the reviews. So this is it, guys. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe.